This is one of my favorite homes. I've walked a lot of homes in Costa Rica, but there's something that happens when you walk through that front door. The light, the wood, the stone, it just speaks to you. You feel it immediately. You don't have to convince yourself you love it, you already do. If you spent real time in Costa Rica, you start to notice a lot of the luxury homes, they look similar, white box, clean lines, maybe some wood accents on the ceiling, beautiful, but could be anywhere. This was designed and built by DOMA Engineering, and it was the brainchild of Escencia Homes, who wanted to show what luxury in Costa Rica could really look like. The wood, the stone, the light, a home that actually feels like it grew here, so they centered everything around this living Guacimo tree right in the heart of the home. What you're looking at right now is not easy to build. No columns, no interior posts anywhere in this space. The glass opens completely, the living room straight into the pool. No interruption. DOMA engineered a steel frame with concealed beams to carry the entire roof load. This structure is invisible, you just feel the space. Everything in this home just works. The lighting, the music, the pool, the gate, all controlled from your phone. It's the kind of thing that you don't think about until you're living somewhere and it's missing. And think about who this home is really for. Someone who's worked hard, built something, and now wants a place that gives back. Wakes up to the sound of birds, walks to the beach in the morning, comes home to this. That's the dream, right? This is what it actually looks like. And then there's Playa Grande itself, less than 5 minutes from the beach, and what gets me about this community is the people. Families on the beach every evening for sunset, everyone knows each other. There's a sense of community here that I don't see in a lot of places on the Gold Coast. It's rare, and once you find it, you don't want to leave. Pivot entry door that stops you in your tracks. San Gabriel black granite counter in the kitchen, a spa bathroom with a soaking tub, double showers, an indoor garden, every piece of furniture designed specifically for this home. Teak is one of the hardest woods to work with. Most builders won't even touch it at this scale. Here it is everywhere. The ceilings, the doors, the built-ins, all custom. It's the kind of woodwork you would expect in a yacht, not a house. When I moved to Costa Rica, Playa Grande was actually the first place that our family landed. We rented a house right up the street. There's something special about this area and it sticks with you. On one side is the national park, on the other side is the estuary. It's really a unicorn from a geographical perspective, and this home is no different. Some homes you forget about the moment you leave, but this one sticks with you.